The year, 1980. The setting, just a few days before Christmas, when a young woman looked at her husband and said, "Honey, don't get for me the same kind of earrings and necklace you get every year. Use your imagination. Give me something different, something personal." Terrified, the man agreed to her request and set off for the mall, bringing along his 8-year-old daughter, Lindsay. Well, the man and his daughter weaved in and out of stores for hours when they came across this beautiful display case filled with crystal candlesticks and vases, and in the center was this little crystal butter dish. And the man looked at the butter dish and said, "That's it, the gift for my bride." And the little girl looked at the father and said, "Oh no, Dad, don't do it, Mom won't like it." And he said, "No, your mom said use your imagination, get something different. This is different." And the little girl said, "Not that kind of different, Dad. That's not what Mom meant." Well, against his daughter's good advice, the man bought the butter dish, wrapped it, and presented it to his wife on Christmas Day. Upon opening the gift, the woman decided that those same old earrings and necklaces would be fine for future Christmases. The story you've just heard is true. The little girl in the story was me. You know, for 1 year, for my birthday, my husband bought me a vacuum cleaner. I told him that ranked with the butter dish. You see, what my husband and my father didn't know is that household items never make good gifts for women. So what we want to do is take a few minutes today to tell you things women wish men knew.